Hey there, Clark Reid with today's tech headlines for you. Please give us a like if you enjoy the reports by hitting that little like button, and you can also subscribe by tapping the bell icon. You'll know when each new report is up and ready for you to view or read, as the case may be. The Grok chatbot Elon Musk has is apparently training on any and all X users' data that they post on X. According to thenextweb.com, this could get Musk in trouble with the European Union. The data use may be in violation of EU rules. You can make sure you are not included in this. Go to Settings in X and look for a box that's checked by default. It says, allow your posts as well as your interactions, inputs, and results with Grok to be used for training and fine-tuning. And then uncheck that box. This may violate the EU's General Data Protection Regulation. That law restricts companies from expanding data collection without telling users and providing users with a clear opt-out. Apparently, Apple Intelligence won't graduate in time to make it to the rollout of iOS 18, iPad OS 18, and Mac OS Sequoia. If you were all pumped about that shiny new iPhone 16 using Apple Intelligence, well, MacRumors.com reports you're going to have to wait until the operating system's first updates in October. Apple Intelligence should be released in the upcoming beta versions of the software, probably next week, but Apple must feel like it's not quite ready for prime time yet. The upgraded Siri with AI has already been scheduled for bowing in next spring. The Department of Justice went to court late Friday to ask the bench to reject the TikTok bid to have a law to ban it overturned, and Gadget.com says the feds name national security concerns that include its alleged use of internal search tools to collect information on users' views about sensitive topics. The government wrote in its filing that ByteDance has been using a search tool within their Lark suite of tools that allowed ByteDance and TikTok employees in the United States and China to collect bulk user information based on the user's content of expressions, including views on gun control, abortion, and religion. The DOJ argues the filings, in their filings, that is, that TikTok could use the U.S. users and their content to manipulate them and manipulate elections, and that sensitive information could end up stored on servers in China. TikTok, meanwhile, has denied all of those allegations. After the CrowdStrike mess, Microsoft has indicated it'll make Windows security more Mac-like. What does that mean? Well, 9to5Mac.com reports that Redmond will limit kernel access. Microsoft wrote about it in their IT blog. The company won't be stripping away kernel privileges in a forthcoming Windows update. A shift like this is probably going to take them some significant time to build. But Microsoft's direction of the future appears to be clear. Apple's strict Mac security protocols don't allow the same kind of kernel access to third parties as Windows does. And that's why Macs were not impacted by the CrowdStrike outage. Let's hope that another CrowdStrike type event doesn't happen before Microsoft gets restricting kernel access in place. I'm Clark Reid, and you're Technified for now.